Today, we're diving deep into the authentication of a vintage Cartier Ballon Bleu. By using our Keyence 200x zoom microscope, we'll reveal every intricate details and exposing what makes this timepiece truly authentic. Introduced in 2007, the Ballon Bleu de Cartier brought a fresh, contemporary perspective to Cartier's prestigious watch lineup. Its name, meaning blue balloon, is derived from the striking blue sapphire cabochon crown, which appears to float within its protective arch. Now, without further ado, let's dive straight in. The Cartier Ballon Bleu boasts a mesmerizing silver guilloche opaline dial, highlighting Cartier's commitment to intricate craftsmanship. The dial features classic Roman numeral markers, subtly distorted to complement the case's curvature, adding a unique visual effect. The blue steel hands provide a striking contrast against the dial, reinforcing Cartier's signature design elements. The Cartier Ballon Bleu features a stunning stainless steel and gold bracelet, perfectly complementing its elegance. Encased within an elegant protective arch, the signature blue cabochon crown is an instantly recognizable Cartier hallmark. Now, let's carefully open the back case of this exquisite timepiece and take a closer look at the intricate craftsmanship of its movement. Just by examining the engraved wordings, intricate textures, and fine details, you can instantly recognize the authenticity of this timepiece. Every precise engraving and flawless finish tells the story of true craftsmanship. And there you have it. That's how we harness the power of the Keyence microscope to take watch inspection to the next level, revealing intricate details that set an authentic timepiece apart.
If you are looking for a reliable watch service center to service, polish and authenticate your watch, visit us at our outlet at Far East Plaza, Singapore. Want to learn more about watches? Follow us on our social media and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments section down below what brand you would like to see us cover next.